Hey kids! Today we're going to talk about addition. What is addition? Addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. What is this? This is a plus sign. A plus sign adds two numbers together. What is this? This is an equal sign. An equal sign shows us the result. There's one red car. Two other green cars join it. So, one red car plus two green cars will give us 3 cars in total. There are 2 bunnies dancing in the field. Plus 3 other bunnies join them. 2 plus 3 equals to 5 bunnies in the field. There are 3 ducks in the pond. Plus 3 more ducks join them. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6 ducks in the pond. There are 2 cows in the farmhouse. 5 other cows join them. 2 plus 5 equals 7 cows in the farmhouse. There are 5 bees in the garden. Plus 3 other join them. 5 plus 3 equals to 8 bees in the garden. There are 2 fish in the glass jar. 3 other fish join them. 2 plus 3 equals to 5 fish in the glass jar. There are 2 apples in the basket. Let's add some more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 plus 4 equals to 6 apples in the basket. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.